intro. I'm drinking a naked smoothie. Disclaimer, I am sick, so if I do sound like a man, it's probably because I was born a man. If I am sounding nasally, it is because I'm sick. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking all about my pink hair that you guys have been loving here on YouTube and on Instagram. I've been putting off making this video. I've been putting off making any videos because I have been sick for about 2 weeks now. I can barely get out of my bed. I'm pretty weak, so doing my makeup is kind of minimal today, but I just wanted to get this video out because I kind of had to get this video out. So yeah, it's being rushed, so if it's not the best video, I'm sorry. Today we're just going to be talking about the hair, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So the hair that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys today is from Lala's Hair Boutique. I never thought I would actually, try some pink hair, but let me tell you, girl, when I found out that they had human hair that's pink, I was like, oh my god, I need to try this out. So Faith hooked me up and I got this color and everybody's just been raving about it. This is my first time doing something crazy with my hair. I am going to be doing another color soon. So this hair color was inspired by Black Bear because he did have pink hair. I know a lot of people are like, oh my god, you're copying Nikita Dragon.
I'm Nikita fucking Dragon, who the fuck are you?
And it's like, no, I love me some Nikita, but I'm not copying Nikita. I'm copying Black Bear's hair color, and the next color I'm doing is going to be from Black Bear as well. So yeah, just had to, disclose all that before, the Dragon family comes for me. So this hair is a full lace unit, so that means that there is no track sewed in. It is hair all around, so you can part it any which way, and you do not have to bleach the knots because this hair, I believe, was already blonde and they just colored it to, be pink. But with that being said, since the hair is a lighter shade, you don't have to bleach your knots because you don't have little black dots on the lace. And this is a Swiss lace, I believe, because when I did receive it, it was not like any lace I have seen before. It was very kind of stretchy, more so. I never experienced Swiss lace, but I was talking to my friend and she said it is Swiss lace, so it is way more delicate and it is easy to rip. So keep in mind when you are buying the unit that it will most likely be a Swiss lace instead of a regular, lace that is hard and rough. I actually like the Swiss lace, but I just need to get used to it. So I'm assuming that this wig in particular was made to be constructed onto a head or applied onto a head from a stylist or something, because it did not come with any clips, any adjustable straps, and none of that. So you're not going to be receiving any of that when you get the unit. It's just going to come with the I guess the latches, that latch on to make the wig tighter, but you do not get any security around the head. So I did have to sew on an adjustable strap myself, which ripped the lace, but it wasn't crazy rip. It was just like a little rip like that. So I'm not tripping. I can still wear the unit. Now that I sewed the adjustable strap, it does fit me snug and right, and this isn't going anywhere. So yeah, for me, I just ended up making it a glueless unit. You can glue it if you want to, but I do strongly suggest that if you're getting the unit installed into your head. But if you're like me and you don't like hair on your neck and you don't like wearing hair all the time, just sew an adjustable strap onto it to make it a glueless lace unit. Honestly, this is the best quality hair I got. I did get blonde hair from other vendors and it just sheds and sheds and sheds, and obviously it is blonde hair, like it's gonna shed because it's processed, but this hair is processed, obviously, because nobody just has pink hair. Like, that's just not realistic. This is a processed unit because they had to make it this beautiful color, and it is a long-lasting pink, so you don't have to worry about washing the hair and having the pink just strip out. You have a splotchy pink. This hair is very long-lasting, so you're going to get your money's worth. I washed this about 2 times and I have gotten no discoloration. Like, it is full solid all around. But I do strongly suggest you guys not to wash the hair all the time, obviously, because you don't want to strip the hair. And if you are not installing it into your head and you're just wearing it as a wig to pop on here and there, you don't have to wash it because you're not using it as much. But if you are installing it into your head, you do have to wash it. So keep in mind with that. So the cons of getting this unit, you are going to either have to install it, and if it is a wig, you have to be really careful on what you do. If you have black hair, you will see your black hair, you know, on the parts where the wig is not there. So with me, you can see a little bit of black right here, and that is because those are my sideburns, and my sideburns went down to here, but I had to shave all the way up just so my unit could, you know, look right. But girl, it's still not looking right, and I'm not about to shave the rest of it. But that is my mistake, because I did cut the lace. Really weird, but I just didn't want loose lace, you know, just all around. And I wasn't about to glue it, because Lord knows I don't like the way glue feels. I don't even like the way glue feels on my eyelashes. So yeah, that is just my preference. That's why I see it as a con. But overall, this hair is gorgeous. As you guys know, I've been wearing this for about a week now. I didn't want to appear as masculine, so that was a worry for me when I was trying pink hair. But I'm glad this is not bright pink like that. It is just a subtle strawberry pink. I call it like cotton candy pink. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, it is just a gorgeous pink. It's full lace, and girl. So when I did receive the package, it came in this gorgeous box that says Lala Hair Boutique with a little, you know, hanging thing. You guys should see it right there, but it is a gorgeous packaging. And when you slide open the box, you will see the unit, and the unit did not come like this. I actually customized it, or styled it. I didn't customize this, girl. I styled it to how it looks now, but when you receive the hair, you will get it in a straight texture, which I don't mind. The hair is gorgeous. It is so soft and silky. It moves like a gem, and it still moves like a gem to me. This hair ain't going out of my collection no time soon. So yeah, the hair was really soft and rich. It didn't feel like it was processed or damaged. A lot of colored units could look like that. The ends were not fried, which I love. And this hair is about 20 inches. It goes past my belly button, but that is because I'm short. I do believe you can get other inches in this unit. You just have to see on the website, but they will all be linked down below. But yeah, when I received it, it was gorgeous. So the only problem I did have was cutting the lace, because it was my first time cutting a unit that, you know, had a lot of lace, because the lace was like down to here. So yeah, and it was a different type of lace. It wasn't regular lace, it was Swiss lace, I believe personally, because my friend told me. But yeah, it just was different for me, and I did cut too far back so you could see my edges. And yeah, that's about it. That's all I have to say about this unit. I will be doing a styling tutorial on this hair, so keep a lookout for that video. So keep a lookout for that video, because I will be doing different styles with this hair. Lord knows I'm probably going to end up going to EDC with this hair. This is going to be my #1, other than the next color that I'm going to do. I'm sick, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm not, you know, funny, but I'm trying. But that concludes the hair review for today. If you guys want to check out Lala's Hair Boutique, oh no, it's not even boutique, it's beauties, Lala's Hair Beauties. But if you do want to check them out, all the links will be down in the description box below. Their customer service is amazing. They have perfect units. They have a whole bunch of colored units, so check them out. I do strongly recommend them, because I really saw a vendor that carries, you know, colored hair units that are human hair, because a lot of colored hair is synthetic, but this is all human hair, girl, and you're gonna get your money's worth. So yeah, all the links to the hair will be down in the description box below. Let me know if you guys do end up picking up the hair, and tag me on Instagram at Jazlynn Westbrook. But without further ado, I love you guys with all my heart. Videos should be coming soon, but I just need to get better. As you guys can tell, I am dying right now, but I love you guys with all my heart. Peace, love, and dildos. Bye, guys.